Leetcode weekly context 480. Question number 1. Absolute difference between maximum and minimum k elements. This is an easy problem. Say first, if we can sort this array, for example, this example 1, if we sort this array, we're gonna get a 2, 2, 4, 5. And we are asked to get the difference between the sum of the k largest elements and the k smallest elements. Large, small. So the second step, we calculate the largest k elements. In third step, we calculate the sum of k small elements. Then fourth step, we just calculate the difference. That will be the answer for this problem.